Hi there, and congratulations on your Fluss purchase. In this video, we delve deeper into how to share full access on the Fluss app. When your Fluss app is open and you are in range of a Fluss device, the Fluss icon on your cell phone screen will appear blue and have the relevant device name. For the sake of this video, our device is named Fluss 1. In the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you will see the profile icon. This we have already set up during a previous tutorial. To the left of the profile icon, you will see the Share Access icon. Please select this icon so that you can share your different access invites. If you have several Fluss devices, select the relevant device that you would like to share access for. Then select Done. If you wish to share full access with a user, toggle the bar to the right of full access to be enabled. Now this bar will be blue. Full access allows users to invite others. These users will also be able to log into the back end of Fluss. They can also revoke access. So please be careful with who you share full access. If Contact Share is enabled, you will be able to share an invite via select a contact or enter a phone number. Search for the person you would like to send the invite to, scroll down and select the blue Give Access button. You have now granted Fluss access to that user. If the user that you shared access with is already a Fluss user, they will be notified automatically. If not, you will need to notify those users. You will now be able to select Close or Share Invite. This invite can be shared via message, WhatsApp, or email. You can also share the invitation via a link. Once the user selects the invite, it will take them to the App Store to download the Fluss app. After the Fluss app has been downloaded and set up successfully, the invited users will be able to open the gate or door to which you have granted them access.